Hi, I'm Hawk with Cheyenne US Repair, and today I'm here to talk to you about troubleshooting. Your machine stopped working. Before you send it in for repair, we want to eliminate other possible causes. So first, number one is going to be your power cable. If you have a second power cable, swap it out. If you don't have a second power cable, maybe somebody you work with has one you can borrow just to test your machine. If that resolves the problem, awesome. If not, we're going to move on to the power supply. If you have one you can swap out, swap it out. If you don't, try to borrow one. If we determine that the problem is the power supply, then we want to look a little deeper into your power supply, and that's going to be at your transformer wall plug cable. Swap it out. If you have a second one or somebody you work with has a second one, swap it out. One point I want to make about the power cable is you want to have a look and see when you plug it in, do you have a little green light in the bottom right corner lighting up? If you do, that's great. If you don't, I recommend you upgrade, get a new one from your distributor, especially for the Soul machines. It's going to make a huge difference in how it's running. And if you're not using a Cheyenne power supply, you're also going to want to take a look at your adapter cable. Same deal, swap it out. Does that fix the problem? If none of these turn out to be the problem, then it's time to send your machine in. Let us take a look at it, test it, get it working for you. So hopefully that was helpful. Thanks for watching. For more repair and service information, check out our other videos in this 8-part series, Cheyenne Service and Repair.